Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll show how to track single message data in the MessageWhiz Workspace. The Workspace is where you can track results of individual messages. To get started, click on Workspace in the menu to open its full list of options and click Single Messages. All previous single messages appear on this list, with the exception of one-time passwords. To find a specific message, you can enter the broadcast name into the search bar or filter messages by date range. The search results include key data, including the recipient's phone number and send date, the message status, and costs. You can also see the delivery rate. It is also possible to copy a previous message to send it again. Click the three dots at the end of the row and select Copy. The new cloned message is editable, so you can make any changes you need before sending. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.